Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Technolite. Today we are going to learn about the VLAN, Virtual Local Area Network. Virtual Local Area Network is a type of logistic division of the network where it breaks a single network into multiple sections by logically separating ports and switches. It creates a multiple stand-alone network. It also increases the security and reduces the number of broadcast domains. VLAN is normally used for the security purpose, flexibility, and for the improved performance. Here we talk about the two type of port, where one is our SS port and another is our trunk port. SS port is used to connect the in devices like computers, printers, and it carries only one VLAN for that in devices, whereas trunk port connects the multiple, or we can say that it carries the multiple VLAN, connects between the switches, between two switches or router. Trunk port carries multiple VLAN from different types of SS device. It carries VLAN from one switch port over the other switch port to the other in devices. In this lecture, today we are going to learn about what is VLAN, how do we create VLAN, and what are the different types of port used here, and how we can communicate between the VLANs. So let's start our configuration part here. So let's start here. Here we have taken one switch 0, and we have connected the two computers which will act as the different VLAN. One is our production side, another is the sales side. For production side, we have taken the IP address of class C network 192.168.2.1, and for sales side we have taken the IP address 192.168.3.1. Let us define the fast Ethernet 0/1, that is the port name, and another is fast Ethernet 0/2. We have made here topology of one switch and two computers which will act for different VLAN. So let's enter to the command line interface mode. So we are starting here. So first of all we are going to show the VLAN. So for that the command is show VLAN. It will show the VLAN here. By default all the ports of the switches lies on the VLAN ID 1, that is the default VLAN. Here our fast Ethernet 0/1 to fast Ethernet 0/24 lies on the same VLAN, that is VLAN ID 1. Similarly, Gigabit Ethernet 0/1 and Gigabit Ethernet 0/2 also lies on the VLAN by default. By configuring, we are going to divide, or we are going to define the different port for the different part we are going to use in our SS network. So we are going to create here VLAN. So let us define. First of all, we are going to define the VLAN for production. So just we are taking here VLAN 33. So we just write here command VLAN 33 and name production, exit. We'll do the similar things for the sales side, VLAN 99, and we'll write the name of the VLAN, that is the name sales. In this way we created two VLAN. For production it is 33 and for sales it is 99. So we'll again see the VLAN by writing the command show VLAN. It will show the VLAN, but in this case after creating VLAN we can see that two VLAN for production 33 is created and for sales 99 is created, but we have not defined the port here. We have not defined the port, that is the fast Ethernet, which fast Ethernet will lie in the production side and which will lie in the cell side. So again we are configuring the port here. For that we have the command interface fast Ethernet 0/1 switch mode SS, and we are going to write the SS VLAN, that is the switch port SS VLAN 33. In this way we have defined the fast Ethernet 0/1 port to the VLAN 33 of the production part, and we are going to do the similar thing for the cells. We have command here interface fast Ethernet 0/2 switch port mode SS and switch port SS VLAN, and VLAN ID is 99. In this way we have created the SS VLAN for production and for sales. Now let's see either the port has been assigned with the VLAN ID we have created or not. So for that we have show VLAN brief. We can see here the production VLAN 33 lies in the fast Ethernet 0/1 and the sales VLAN 99 through the fast Ethernet 0/2. In this way we have created the SS port VLAN 33 and 99 successfully.